Isa ka rin ba sa naka-receive dito ng TikTok account violations na automated network coordinations? So since first time ko lang din maka-receive ng ganitong klase ng violations, so ito yung ginawa ko and luckily na-approve naman yung appeal. So itap mo lang dito yung appeal. And then next step, dito na tayo sa submit an appeal. So bibigyan tayo dito ng 180 days para mag-submit ng appeal if you think your account was banned by mistake. Then next, dito na tayo sa pag-enter ng email address. So pwede kang maglagay dito yung active na email address kung saan nila isisend yung appeal result. So pwede mo naman gamitin dito yung TikTok account email address mo. So yan yung ginamit ko. And dito na tayo sa next na appeal descriptions. So ito yung nilagay ko na description dito mga kaibigan. Ayan, so ito yung appeal description na nilagay ko. So pwede mong i-copy to or pwede mong guide mga kaibigan, malay mo ma-approve ka din. So I respectfully submit this appeal regarding the ban of my TikTok account for automated network coordinations. I want to assure you that I do not use bots, fake engagement, automation tools, or coordinated activities that violate TikTok's community guidelines. I only use my account for normal content creations. I sincerely apologize. I am willing to cooperate and follow TikTok rules and policies. Ayan, so once na ilagay mo na yan, and then dito na tayo sa pag-upload ng ating supporting documents, and then ito din yung nilagay ko na 4 na supporting documents. Pwede mong guide din ito mga kaibigan. Ayan, so ito yung nilagay ko at in-upload ko yung aking government IDs na passport, and then nag-selfie ako, and then nag-selfie ako hawak-hawak yung government IDs, and then yung screenshot ng aking account ban, ganito siya. Ayan, so kapag okay na lahat, kapag na-upload mo na yung 4 supporting document, and then itap mo lang dito yung submit. So dito naman ay bibigyan tayo dito ng 7 days para yung appeal result. Mga kaibigan, hintayin lang natin yung response ni TikTok. And then mga kaibigan, wala pang 7 days, so 2 days lang, naka-receive na ako dito ng TikTok yung email nila. Ayan, so ito yung result ng aking appeal. So, dear TikTok users, we have reviewed your appeal and we are happy to inform you that we have restored your account. We apologize for any inconvenience this may have caused and we thank you for being a part of TikTok community. So talagang na-stress talaga ako dito kasi meron pa akong escalator bill na kailangan bayaran, and luckily talaga na na-approve yung aking appeal. So mga kaibigan, kung naka-receive ka din ng ganitong klase ng violations, i-follow mo lang yung share ko dito na tutorials, and ito lang yung update ngayon. And thanks for watching.